Hey everyone! Imagine being able to write an email now, but send it exactly when you want, whether it's tomorrow morning or in a few days. On Gmail, it's possible. In this tutorial, you will learn how to schedule emails in advance, which will help you save time and never forget an important message. So let's get started. First, open your Gmail app. Once you're in Gmail, on the main screen of the app, tap the icon to compose a new email, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, write your email as usual, enter the recipient, subject, and message content. Now, instead of just tapping the send icon, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that opens, select the Schedule Send option. A pop-up window will appear with a few suggestions for the sending time. If one of the suggested times works for you, simply tap on it. If you want to set an exact date and time, tap the Pick Date and Time option. Then, you'll be able to choose the desired date and time when you want the email to be sent. Once you set the desired time, just tap Schedule Send, and if necessary, a window will appear where you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking OK to complete the process. After confirmation, your email is scheduled and will be automatically sent at the time you've selected. If you want to cancel the scheduling, simply swipe from left to right to open the menu, and then in the menu, select the Scheduled folder. Once you're on the page with your scheduled emails, tap and hold the email you want to cancel. After that, tap this icon to cancel it, and your email will no longer be sent. And that's it, very simple. If you liked this video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.